Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the sailor crab in Fish Eat Roblox. So if you want to add this collection to your inventory, the sailor crab is one of the coolest rare catches in Fish Eat. So this one is actually a legendary tire fish. And here I'm going to show you the exact location where I got this one and also the bait that you need to snag this stylish crustacean. Okay, so as for the rods and bait, to catch the fish, I'm using the element rod, and for the bait, I'm using the singularity bait. And for the location, as for me, I got the fish in here in this pools inside the cove, but you can also catch it on other areas, so you can just try your luck and use your best rod and bait. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button.